Come test drive 2012 Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, cargo area light. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.